Nigeria is making plans to enter the aircraft manufacturing sector, aiming to establish a local company, possibly starting with aircraft component production and potentially expanding to full aircraft assembly. The initiative revealed by Aviation Minister Festus Keyamo in January of 2025 involves collaboration with the indigenous XEJet and local banks to create an aviation hub in Abuja, complete with a training center to support the growth of the regional aviation industry. The goal is to attract MRO facilities, foster local talent, and position Nigeria as a key player in the global aviation and aerospace market. If it's your first time on our channel, consider clicking the red subscribe button and turning on the notification icon, because on this channel we talk about the African economy and how local plans are boosting the national economy and also on the global scale. Don't forget to drop a like to this video and share with your friends as well who are excited about the Nigerian military and their aircraft manufacturing plans. The Nigerian military has been fighting terrorism for a very long time, and the use of large aircraft and specialized military aircraft has been very helpful in this fight. This is why the Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development, Festus Keyamo, has unveiled a state-of-the-art maintenance, repair and overhaul facility spearheaded by XZJet. Keyamo also announced plans to launch an aircraft manufacturing site soon. He said very soon we are going to return here for the groundbreaking ceremony of an aircraft manufacturing company. The announcement aligns with the federal government's aviation development agenda as emphasized by Keyamo. This aligns with our administration's vision to support local operators. We have been seeking to attract MROs to Nigeria's aviation ecosystem, and XDJet's initiative is a significant step forward. Keyamo highlighted the government's force and efforts to create an enabling environment for projects like this, including partnership with indigenous banks and involvement of top-tier construction companies. The minister also spoke with the chief executive of the company, Emmanuel Iza, who described it as much more than a maintenance and operation center, and this will project Nigeria on the global map of aerospace manufacturing. The Nigerian military and the Nigerian Air Force have been fighting insurgency for years now, and they have been important in playing a significant role. They operate a mix of fighter jets, attack helicopters, transport aircraft, and surveillance planes, with a significant ongoing acquisition of new platforms like the M346 fighter jet, the AH-17 attack helicopters, the CASA-295 transport planes, and AW-109 Tracker helicopters. Key operational aircraft include the JF-17, Thunder, A289 Tucano, and Alpha Jet, alongside trainers and helicopters such as the Super Moshak and the M135M. The Nigerian Air Force is actively enhancing its fleet and maintenance capabilities to combat insurgency and banditry. There have been recent and upcoming acquisitions, as they have been looking at making plans for the fighter jet aircraft, including the 24 M346 fighter jets and 3 JF-17 Thunder aircraft. The first will receive 12 AH-17 attack helicopters and AW-109 Tracker Type B helicopters. The NAF is set to receive 3 CASA transport planes and surveillance aircraft, as well as trainer aircraft. The NAF has targeted to increase its operational aircraft service ability from 72% to 90% by late 2025 through investments in maintenance, logistics, and training, with a goal of achieving 100% serviceability in the future. The Nigerian Air Force has a lot of aircraft which is part of the reason why they are a global power, ranking number 31st in the entire military industry globally. The following represents an overview of the modern area fighting capabilities of the Nigerian Air Force. The service currently counts 142 total units in its active aircraft inventory. The WDMMA review takes into account specific categories of aircraft covering attack, logistics, special mission, and general support types. Inventory numbers and related aircraft types. Variants are provided as is derived from publicly available information. There are about 71% available aircraft at 50% readiness rate, 99% aircraft at a high readiness rate, and there have been a total of 16% of total strength marking up jet fighters. This has been an effort to revive local aircraft maintenance and also revive Nigeria's power in the aviation industry. If you've watched our video to this point, kindly click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so you do not miss future videos from our channel. If it's your first step on our channel as well, consider dropping a like and subscribing. Share the video to your friends who are really interested in the Nigerian aviation market, and I'll see you in my next video.